Hello, my friends. Today we are learning about our last type of figurative language. For just a moment, I want you to turn and talk to your table group about what figurative language is. Go. Bup. All right, so I hope that you remembered that figurative language is when the author does not say what they mean, and they use this type of language to make their writing more interesting. Today we're going to learn about our final type of figurative language. You should be writing on the back of that paper with 6 boxes. We learned about all 6 of those types of figurative language, and now we're going to learn about our last one. So on the back, I want you to title this idioms. Idioms. And the reason we're learning about idioms separately is because they can be the most confusing kind of figurative language, but I personally find them to be the most fun type of figurative language. So, idioms are simply phrases. So a phrase is a group of words. So instead of just being one word, it's a group of words. Phrases that have different meanings than what they say. I'll give you just a moment to get that copied down onto your paper. Give your substitute a thumbs up when you're done and you're ready to go, and she will know to keep playing the video. All right, we're going to talk about some examples of idioms. So go ahead and write examples on your notes page. Now, you might say, Miss Highsong, isn't all figurative language phrases that have different meanings than what they say? You're right, it is. Idioms are interesting because they're probably sayings that you've heard before. Maybe your parents say them, your grandparents, people on TV. And they're kind of things that you just have to memorize. There's no way for you to figure out an idiom if you don't already know it. And so over the next week, we're going to practice learning some different idioms and what they mean so that if you come across them in a conversation, in a movie, in a book, you know what they mean. So one of my favorite idioms that I wanted to share with you, this is one that my mom used to say to me all the time, is when pigs fly. Go ahead and copy that down. When pigs fly. Now, can pigs actually fly? No. Pigs don't have wings. They can't fly. They're not like birds. So the author can't really mean when pigs fly. Now, my mom used to say this phrase to me when I would ask for something ridiculous. So I might say, hey, can I go to the mall with my friends by myself when I was in like 2nd grade? And my mom would say, when pigs fly. So can anyone take a guess at what that means? So, hopefully you got it. It means it's never going to happen. Never going to happen. My mom was never going to let me go to the mall by myself when I was that young. Maybe you can think of something that your parents would say, when pigs fly. It's never going to happen. Maybe you ask your dad for $1 bajillion and he says, when pigs fly. All right, once you have that copied down, we're gonna do one more example. This is another one of my favorite ones because it's really easy to visualize. This one is raining cats and dogs. Go ahead and copy that down. Raining cats and dogs. Now, we know, even though we don't get much rain in San Diego, when it does rain, what falls from the sky? Right, water. Not cute little puppies and cute little kitties. So if the author says it's raining cats and dogs, that's an idiom because they're not actually meaning what they say. What do you think they are meaning? Right, they mean it's raining hard. It's raining very hard. If it's raining cats and dogs, you most likely need an umbrella because it is raining very hard. All right, friends, we are going to do a lot more practice with idioms. So when you are done taking these notes, go ahead and put your paper into your turn-in bin so that when I come back, I can check and make sure that everybody has the notes. All right, have a good rest of your day. I hope you're behaving. Bye-bye.